Hi everyone, I'm Hubert. For this project return, I designed a hotel in the valley. Due to the pressure of work and study, people overlook their health issue, so I want to supply a way to temporarily escape the streets of urban life and return to nature to heal themselves in harmony. The hotel outline is inspired by the appearance and the disappearance of Wei, which drove me to think about the return. So I conceived the idea of Wei moving from far to near in the valley, merging and dispersing to form a distinctive landscape. I took a sea wave as a blueprint and used the architectural language to transform into an aggregation of blocks, incorporating the texture of water waves to make the building look more organic. I designed a public entertainment area for the hotel at the bottom of the valley, consisting of an outdoor square, library, bar, and a restaurant, followed by private room and studio as the terrace rises. The overall interior design of the hotel is dominated by the wood color. I drew on my understanding of warmth and cozy element to create a mood board, which was then divided into the 4 sections that become special reference for different property, and finally enrich the spatial sensory with interior lighting and decorated component in Lumion.